Drones that decide who lives and who dies, robots training themselves to outthink us, artificial intelligence systems manipulating reality before our eyes. The AI arms race is escalating, and the battleground is everywhere: factories, labs, war zones, and even your smartphone. And the scariest part? The real revolution is happening faster than anyone predicted. While companies like OpenAI, Google, and Tesla chase artificial general intelligence, machines that can think and learn like humans, governments are weaponizing AI to dominate future warfare. It's a high-stakes race where victory means global power. The US military's Replicator initiative is deploying fleets of AI-driven drones. Factories like Arsenal One in Ohio are mass-producing them at alarming speeds. Meanwhile, China is pushing forward with swarms of attack drones and developing humanoid robots designed to overwhelm opponents through sheer numbers. Their secret weapon? NVIDIA's Isaac Sim, a virtual playground where robots perfect their skills before ever hitting the ground. But it doesn't stop there. Tesla's Optimus robot aims to reshape industries, and Chinese companies like Unitree are closing the gap, developing cheap, agile humanoids by the thousands. And then there's the rogue players, North Korea's AI-guided suicide drones with whispers of Russian tech support behind the scenes. Here's the chilling reality. AI weapons aren't like nukes, locked away and heavily regulated. They are accessible, adaptable, and rapidly evolving. And while the big players race for dominance, smaller nations and even extremist groups could soon have access to devastating AI tools. And the madness doesn't stop at the battlefield. AI-generated deepfakes are destabilizing democracies, while advanced surveillance systems can track anyone, anywhere in real time. From cyber warfare to psychological manipulation, AI's potential for harm stretches far beyond physical violence. Yet, the same technology threatening global security is also transforming industries and rebuilding ecosystems. China's AI-driven reforestation project counted over 142 billion trees, using drones to map and restore degraded lands. The same algorithms built for war are now being repurposed to heal. But duality is the nature of AI. Systems designed to enhance life are being pushed to destroy it. As AI evolves, so do its motives. Reports already indicate AI systems learning to manipulate humans, cheat evaluations, and even self-replicate. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. And as the lines between innovation and annihilation blur, the real question isn't who will win the AI arms race. It's whether we'll even recognize the battlefield by the time it's over.